hello, it's .mp4. Whetstone just recently made a video showing how to make wiring on a 4-way flying machine, and that reminded me that I also played around with 4-way tech some time ago, and since I didn't really make anything useful or cool, I didn't show anything, but now I guess it's time to show at least something. So first thing I want to show you is a bit better engine than what RMC team showed originally. So here's their engine, well, a bit cleaned up. I moved observers from top blocks to bottom blocks, so it's a bit easier to just start building. Yeah, so how to improve it? That's how. So I made Rim a bit more compact. It's actually now 3 blocks under push limit, well, those segments. And you know, блять. Да ну нахуй эти ваши видео, пошли в пизду. All rim segments of old engine are at push limit, so you can't add anything to them. And in this one, you can add 3 blocks. I guess it's not much, but better than nothing. And that's not the final version still. Well, it is kinda, but it's really problematic to play around with engines when this is the engine you have, because as soon as you activate it, it will just keep going in one direction until you stop it, and that's where incremental engines come to help. So incremental engine is a type of engine that only moves one block when you activate it, and that's really useful for testing. So here is the incremental version. As you can see, it only moves one block in the direction you want it to move and stops. So yeah, that's like the most compact design. And here is scaled up version. It's like a blank sheet of paper, very useful for testing stuff and playing around. So yeah, as you can see, it's incremental, but you can easily make it a normal engine just by doing so. So now let me show you how to make wiring on a 4-way flying machine. So the thing that Redstone just showed has some problems. First of all, his thing requires you to build stuff, and that's problematic on the 4-way flying machines because you don't have a lot of push limit to play around with. And second problem is that each time you moved flying machine in any direction, it would spam output like crazy, and that's very not ideal. So here is my attempt to make a 4-way flying machine wiring, and here it is. So yeah, interestingly, I use flying machine rim itself to reset the mechanism. Yeah, also as you can see, nothing spammed. Also, if I move the flying machine, it will also not spam the output. As you saw, it didn't trigger, and it doesn't matter in what direction you move the flying machine. So yeah, it will only trigger when I tell it to trigger. Yeah, so I use flying machine parts itself to send the signal. That's interesting. Also, you can stop the signal from propagating forwards. You just need to do something like this. Yeah, and it will stop the signal at this segment. Also, using kind of same stuff, you can turn around. So in theory, you can send signal from any point on the flying machine to any other point. So enough about wiring. Let me show you last thing that I made, and that's a horizontal, I mean vertical version of this flying machine. So here it is. Let me try to activate it. Oops. So yeah, I don't know if this is useful or not. I think in theory you can attach like TNT duper and make trenches for quarries or whatever. I don't know. It's up to you. So I guess that's not much, but that's all I've got. Thanks for watching, and see you